Hello everybody and welcome back to part 7 of creating an e-commerce site using React and Redux. My name is Akshat and this is my YouTube channel where I upload videos about programming and I try to explain it in a very simple manner. So let's just get started. So here I'm just going to show my screen and I've just gone ahead and started up our app right over here. And now what we're going to go ahead and do is over here, what we want to do now is inside of the reducer.js. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're basically going to implement the add to basket functionality. So here in the reducer.js, I've just got the code in my clipboard right over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste this in. So this is the code that we actually want. So you can just look at this and copy this into your actual project. So this is what we want inside of our reducer, and we are not actually going to be using all of these just yet. We're just going to be using the add to basket. So what we want to do next is we just want to save this, and then in state provider, or sorry, not in state provider, inside of index.js. So right over here, okay, actually here also everything is good. So what we're going to do is close both of these down, and then inside of our product.js, we are going to go ahead and here on the button. So here what I've gone ahead and done inside of product.js, or actually before that in reducer, there was actually an error popping up, which was that action types wasn't actually defined. So I've just gone ahead and defined that right over here, and I've just done action types.setUser, action types.add to basket, and action types.remove from basket. So I've done all of that, and now what I've gone ahead and done inside of product is I've just gone ahead and added this function called add to basket, and it will actually trigger that function when we click that add to basket button. So that's what I've done actually here, and what we want to do is, okay, what I'm gonna do is just reopen localhost right here. So localhost 3000, and it just loads up. And obviously, it still actually says 3 right up there. That's actually hard coded. If you remember, we did that inside of the header. So here when we click add to basket, it's actually getting added, but because this value is hard coded, we can't actually see it. So we're going to fix that problem. So we will go into header.js, and in here what we want to do is we will just go ahead and change this part. It's user and a dispatch right now, right? So that's not what we want. We can just get rid of the dispatch. We're not really going to use that, and we will make this user and basket like so, and then we can just save that. And then here instead of this, what we want to do is basket optional training dot length like so. Save that, come back here, and okay, it's compiling. So we can actually just wait for that to go ahead and compile, and then after that we should actually be good. So we just finished compiling, and then it's compiling again. Okay, so that should compile. Boom, there we go. And then, oh, oops, it's not like that. You need to make this, you need to wrap that inside of curly brackets, or else it'll be like a string, and then it'll just display basket.length. So you just want to do that JSX right over there, and now again it's still compiling. So again we will just wait, and boom, there we go. And as you can see, it's 6. So now we're just going to refresh, and now it's set to 0, and then we can just add all of these products right over here. So that's exactly what we want. And after that, what we're gonna actually do is inside of here, it just says your shopping basket, right? Sorry, it says your shopping basket, and then this is just hard-coded value. This is just a hard-coded value right over here. So we want to actually change that and make this actually dynamic. So when we add to basket, in here it'll actually update. So we want to do that now. So that is in checkout right over here. And as you can see, we're just hard coding this, right? So we don't actually want to do that. So in here, what we want to do is like we have done in the header. I'm just going to actually go ahead and copy this here. So like so. And then inside of checkout, I'm just going to paste that, but we don't actually need this user here. We only need the basket. And then inside here, instead of hard coding this, what I'm going to do is go ahead and wrap this inside of JSX. And what I'm going to do is boom, like so. Format that, boom. And then what I'm going to do is do basket dot map, and then we will get an item like so. And then what we will do is we will return all of this. So cut that, paste that in there like so. And then this ID, all of this is hard coded, so we don't want that. We will do that. ID is going to be item.id. And then here title, the same thing too. Item.title, item.price, item.rating, like so. And then in here, item.image, like so. Oops, not images, just image. And then use state value, we obviously need to import that. So copy, boom. And then okay, that should actually no. Checkout, and then yeah, that should import it. Now in here, my shopping basket is empty. What's happening? Okay, I'm just going to reopen it again then. So localhost 3000 here, and then if we go ahead and add like a ton of those, whatever. And then if we come in here, as you can see, the images are actually changing, and now when we add, that stuff comes in here. So that's exactly what we want. So the design got a little messed up. So the reason why that happened was because I actually did not apply this class name of checkout product here. So that's the reason that happened. So yeah, I've just changed that right over there. And here, I just want to do a little experiment. So what I'm going to do is just set that to 20 pixels. So I'm pretty sure it was at 20 pixels before that. And that actually looks pretty good, but still I'm just going to set that back to not 500 pixels, 50 pixels. I like that design better. And yeah. So now you can just keep adding these. I'm just going to just add so many of these. So boom, 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 boom. Almost 30 products. And yeah, so as you can see, all perfect in here. It looks awesome at this point. And you can change whatever you want about the actual application if you don't like it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.